Welcome to the world of camping with Avion. This superior quality of this coach is one of a kind, and fine craftsmanship in every detail and feature. Life is easier and more fun when you're in an Avion.
You know, Mike, when we kicked off the Family Handyman Camper project earlier this year, I had no idea how great it was going to turn out.
Yeah, taking it from where we found it to how it is now was a ton of work, but it really turned out awesome.
So when this Avion Voyager rolled off the assembly line in 1972, sticker price was about $8,000. With inflation, that's about 50 grand today. Unfortunately, it had never been covered for its entire life.
And with the budget we did have, we were able to get a lot done. The floors, the lights, the outside, we covered about every inch of this thing.
We probably did way too many projects to be able to list here. Personally, my favorites are all of the technology upgrades, right? The things that were not available in 1972 when this thing rolled off the assembly line. The sound system, the projector, even the lighting really makes this thing come together.
And my favorite part is that we updated all the finished surfaces, the things that you see. You know, this thing had linoleum flooring in it. We upgraded to vinyl. It's super tough, easy to clean. We updated the countertops and we freshened up the walls, making it really a comfortable place to be in.
So the goal wasn't to restore it back to factory new, but really customize it and make it our own. We put all of the skills that we'd use in DIY around the house right to work inside this camper, really making it a true showpiece. And something I think that we can both agree on is the cherry on top, and that's that red paint job. Just awesome. We took a lot of time rebuilding this camper. Months and months of work went into it, and fortunately we documented the entire process. For more videos on how we redid this camper, visit familyhandyman.com.